Welcome to Tech Vibes. Your phone was working yesterday. Today it is completely dead. No power light, no vibration, no logo. Before you think the phone is finished, follow these proven technician steps. Step 1. Charger and cable test. First, remove any case or cover. Use a different original charger and a different USB cable. Many phones show no power light if the cable has internal breakage. Plug the charger directly into a wall socket, not a power strip. Leave the phone charging for at least 20 minutes. A deeply discharged battery will not show any sign immediately. Step 2. Charging port inspection. Look inside the charging port using a flashlight. Dust, lint, or corrosion can block power flow. Clean gently using a wooden toothpick. Do not use metal tools. This step alone fixes many dead phone issues. Step 3. Forced restart method. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. On some models, use power plus volume up. This forces the power management chip to reset. Many phones come back to life without any data loss. Step 4. Battery reset technique. If the phone has a removable back cover, disconnect the battery. Wait for 2 minutes. Reconnect the battery firmly. This clears static charge trapped in the circuit. Technicians use this method daily in repair shops. Step 5. Wireless charging test. If your phone supports wireless charging, place it on a wireless charger. If it shows charging symbol, the charging port is faulty, not the phone. This confirms the motherboard is still alive. Step 6. Heat and cold check. If the phone suddenly died after heavy gaming or fast charging, overheating may be the cause. Let the phone cool down completely. If the phone was exposed to cold, keep it at room temperature for 30 minutes. Step 7. Power button test. A faulty power button can make the phone look dead. Plug in the charger and check if the screen turns on automatically. If yes, the power key needs replacement, not the motherboard. Final technician advice. If none of these steps work, the most common failures are battery cell damage or power IC failure. Battery replacement should always be tested first. Do not rush into motherboard replacement. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes, like, share, and comment your phone model below.